So learning target 3.2 on the Unit 3 test, again, paying attention to what the directions tell you to do, it says find the slope-intercept equation. So you're not just finding the slope and stopping. A reminder, the slope-intercept equation is in y equals mx plus b form. We need to know the slope, which is m, and we need to know the y-intercept, so where this line crosses the y-axis, and that's b. We already know how to find the slope if you're given 2 points, so I'm going to put 1 point above the other point. And just like in learning target 3.1, m is y minus y over x minus x. So 12 minus negative 6 is positive 18. Negative 9 minus negative 3 is negative 6. So my slope is negative 3. Now I know my final answer then is y equals negative 3x, but I don't know yet where this thing crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to go back to my y equals mx plus b. We just solved to find that m, the slope, is negative 3. I'm trying to find the y-intercept, so the plus b needs to come down. Well, inside an ordered pair, I have an x and a y value of a point on that line. Doesn't matter which point I use. I'm going to substitute the 12 for the y and the negative 9 for the x and solve this equation. So 12 equals negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27 plus b. To solve for b, I want to eliminate this positive 27. Since it's connected with addition, I need to use addition or subtraction to do that. So to eliminate a positive 27, I would subtract 27 from both sides of the equation to get negative 15 equals b. So my final answer is y equals negative 3x minus 15. Remember I said don't ever do plus a negative in a final answer because it's not simplified. If I wanted to check this, I could put the other point in, put the negative 3 in for my x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Positive 9 minus 15 is negative 6, and that is my y value. The second equation, again, I'm going to put 1 point above the other point. I usually put the second one above the first one, but honestly it doesn't matter. You should get the same answer either way. So y minus y over x minus x is going to give me negative 8 over positive 4, so my slope is negative 2. So y equals negative 2x, but I need to go find my y-intercept, my b. So I just solved and found that the slope is negative 2. I'm trying to find my y-intercept, so I'll take an x and a y from one of my points. It doesn't matter which point, as long as they're both from the same point. So y is negative 10, x is positive 9. So I end up with negative 10 equals negative 18 plus b. And to eliminate that negative 18, I would add 18 to both sides of the equation. So b is positive 8. So y equals negative 2x plus 8 is my final equation. 6 was the only problem on the first page that you don't have to show work on. You're really trying to say, what do these 2 points have in common? Well, for these 2 points, if you take negative 2 times the x value of the point and add 8, you get the y value. For these 2 points, if you take negative 3 times the x value in the point and subtract 15, you get the y value. Well, what this third one has in common is that both of the y's are negative 4. So y equals negative 4. You could go through all of the work process. If you did, you'd find your slope is 0, and then you use that to find your y-intercept is negative 4. So you might have written an equation y equals 0x minus 4, but again, you need to simplify your answer. 0 times x is just 0, and then 0 minus 4 is the negative 4. So that is learning target 3.2.